There has been incessant rainfall, and in many ways, sadly, as usual, Mumbai has come to a halt. Parts of the city massively have been waterlogged. Look at the visuals on your screen. Early this morning, our streets have been waterlogged, inundated homes. Schools have been shut now, therefore, due to the heavy rainfall. The local train services also have been hit, while Mumbai's arterial roads, which basically connect the city, that have got waterlogged. What are the specific areas from where we have got these visuals? Dadar, Chembur, these are the areas where this maximum waterlogging has been. You can see people wading through knee-deep water. Vehicles have been stuck. So late last night, early this morning, these are the visuals. Remember, scary to say the least, because there have been earlier casualties also. People have died falling into potholes because they did not realize because of the water in these areas. This is because of incessant rainfall. So a beautiful monsoon otherwise for Mumbai, but again, the same issue, whether it's civic apathy or a certain urban development which is not following the kind of protocols that are needed for Mumbai.
बीती रात मुंबई में हुई जोरदार बारिश के बाद जगह जगह पानी भर गया है। इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं मुंबई के गांधी मार्केट इलाके में, जहां पर देख सकते हैं तेज बारिश के बाद जो गांधी मार्केट की सड़कें हैं वो पूरी तरह समंदर में तब्दील हो गई है। चारों तरफ सिर्फ पानी ही पानी दिखाई दे रहा है। आपको बता दें, मुंबई में बीती रात जोरदार बारिश हुई, जिसके चलते जगह जगह पानी भरा है। चाहे वो परेल का इलाका हो, चाहे हिंद माता का इलाका हो, कुर्ला का इलाका हो, सायन का इलाका हो, चाहे हिंद माता का इलाका हो, इन सभी जगह पर पानी भर गया है। पानी सड़क पर भरने के बाद जो गाड़ियां हैं उनको काफी परेशानी हो रही है। कई गाड़ियां हैं जो बंद पड़ गई है या फिर उन्हें पार करने में काफी परेशानी हो रही है। हालांकि बीएमसी के कर्मचारी भी दिखाई दे रहे हैं, जो लोगों को बता रहे हैं कि आगे पानी ज्यादा है, गाड़ी लेकर मत जाइए। लेकिन पानी जो है लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है, क्योंकि बारिश भी तेज हो रही है। आपको बता दें, बीएमसी हर साल वादे करती है कि इस बार पहले जैसे हालात नहीं होंगे, लेकिन बारिश के बाद यही लगता है जो हालात पहले थे वही हालात अब भी हैं।
So remember, in many ways, it's a complete disruption for the person on the ground, the one who has to head to the office to try and earn their bread and butter. Primarily, the local train services, I'm told, have been hit, which means because it's in many ways the connecting lifeline for Mumbai, that is going to have an impact as well. We are told that IMD has issued an orange alert, which is sort of to ensure that you take extreme precautions, that is going to be incessant and extreme rainfall. This heavy rainfall primarily has been, we are told, in the past few hours, and this has been over and above the usual rainfall that is expected during the monsoon season in Maharashtra and in Mumbai. So IMD has predicted that there will be further heavy downpour as well in the state in the next 3 to 4 days. So take all precaution, while logically people of Mumbai should be able to enjoy the monsoon season. But these situations make it very difficult, specifically for those on the ground who have to go out and work. Joining me now early this morning to understand what is the situation is my colleague Vidya. Vidya, is it still raining? What kind of a situation do you see around you? Because the other Chembur visuals that are coming show that there is extreme rainfall. Over to you, Vidya. Vidya, if you can hear me, I hope you are safe. What do you see around you? I see so many waterlogged streets of visuals that are coming in.
Well, I'm right now at the Andheri subway, and because of the incessant rain that has happened since last night, there is heavy downpour. If I can just show you right behind me here, this is the Andheri subway, and as you can see, the condition here is such that the vehicles have been stopped. The Mumbai police has put up its barricades right here. They're standing by to make sure that just about no one really goes into this area, does not try to risk their life. But certainly, all areas, roads leading to like areas which are inundated have been cut off, have been closed by Mumbai police.
All right. So, as Vidya, as you continue to bring us the latest, did it pour through the night? Did it pour in areas where I can see around you, and I hope you'll able to find an umbrella also for yourself, that it's going to likely continue, because Mumbai needs to be prepared. How does this happen every year?
No, Mumbai is, in fact, if you look at it, Mumbai is quite prepared. But you have to remember that this kind of situation really arises because of high tide in the sea and incessant rains, heavy rains which happen suddenly, a heavy downpour and a combination of a high tide in the sea. Both can be quite lethal for the city. In fact, if you remember, the chief minister himself went around looking at how whether the drainages were cleaned or not. Every basic necessity was looked into. But in spite of that, the city does find itself. Remember, the rain that did start. Generally it starts on the 10th of June, but this time around, it started a little late. But now that it has started, this is the first scene that we see of the city getting clogged in quite a few places. In fact, and it's not just Andheri area here right now. There's Kurla, which is badly affected, where in fact the Central Railway is also affected. The railway line are running pretty slow because of water clogging. Though heavy duty pumps have been installed, trying to make sure that the water is taken out. But in spite of that, the Central Railway is not able to function as it should be really functioning.
And it's one city that cannot come to a halt. Remember, it's the financial city, it's the film city hub, so to say. And now one rainfall, and this is what has become. Perhaps a lot of urban development questions also need to be asked. Vidya, only if you're comfortable, I would like you to stay on because I need you on other reports also coming in from Mumbai. But staying on right now for the monsoon issue, it's not just Mumbai.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.